Hi, my name is Madhu Irani, a technology student of 2020-22 batch, and basically I am from electronics and communication background, and I don't even know how the programming is very important for getting the job. Before entering to the technologies, I don't even know how the programming concepts are very important. Then I joined the technologies and got to know how the programming concepts are very important. The technologies, technical staffs are very friendly and interactive. They provide weekly assessments and daily assignments to practice on those concepts that helped me a lot to get the first dream job. Recently, I got placed in Robert Bosch with 6 LPA. If I confuse at any point of time related to the programming concepts, the technical stuffs of technologies are uh, ready to understand those concepts very thoroughly. That helped me a lot, and I thank each and every technical staffs of technologies for their support. Thank you.